pag nangyari yun.
I'm so mad! I'm so pissed! I'm so livid! Can somebody give me a drink? Yung malakas!
Sandali! May natira dyan sa rep. Sandali! Bana, anong nangyari?
It's a disaster! A huge one! After Hilaga Records, nag-back out din yung ibang record labels.
Nire-check din po nila ako?
Yes, darling. Mukhang kinakausap silang lahat ni Monica at sinisiraan ka.
Baka si Dara yun.
Posible! I'm so angry! I can't contain my anger! Asa na yung alak?
Miss Bana.
Asa na?
Ito. Ay, local yan, ha? Alam ko kasi yung taste mo, eh. Wow.
I don't know what to do. Hindi ko na alam kung sinong lalapitan ko.
Si Freddy. Sigurado ako mag-yes yun kaagad.
As much as possible, ayokong paghaluin yung work sa personal life namin. But come to think of it, there's always a first time for everything. Hello? Freddy?